This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hyperlink an image to an email in Google Slides. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am on Google Slides. I have a little example project here. To hyperlink an image to an email address, it's very easy to do. Say that this image right here, I wanted to hyperlink to an email address. First thing I want to do is left click on the image to select it. I have my image selected now. I have the bounding box around it. Next thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, up to the little chain icon. If you put your mouse cursor over it, it says Insert Link. I'm going to click on Insert Link. Now in this little dialog box that opens up here, in this box right here, you want to type or paste the email address that you want to hyperlink the image to. I'm going to paste mine in there. Then you want to go off to the right and click on Apply. Now as you can see, I still have my image selected, and down below that it says it's hyperlinked to this email address. Now to test this, you could either click on this link right here, or you could place your mouse cursor over your image, hold down the Alt key, and press the Enter button while holding down the Alt key. I'm going to hold down my Alt key, press the Enter button, and my Mail app opens up, and the To part is already made out to that email address that I had provided. That is how to hyperlink an image to an email address in Google Slides. Thanks for watching.